Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your phone has cellular data, the plan allows tethering, and signal bars are present. Next, restart both the phone and the device you want online. Sometimes a fresh network stack fixes routing. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a reconnect. Then open Hotspot settings. Verify the SSID, password, and maximum connections. This prevents silent rejections when devices try to attach. You now dive into configuration. Change the hotspot band to 4 GHz if you need range, or 5 GHz for faster local speed. This resolves many compatibility issues. Make the password simple but secure. Some laptops and EOT devices choke on exotic characters. If devices still fail, clear DHCP leases or assign a small static IP pool so addresses do not collide. Also, disable any VPNs or data restrictors on the phone, because they can block tether traffic. Finish by updating your phone system and modem firmware, then reboot. Updates fix deep connectivity bugs. Test the hotspot with a second client. If that device connects, the original client is the problem, so reset its network settings. If nothing works, backup settings and perform a hotspot settings factory reset on the phone, then reconfigure. One key troubleshooting tip. If the hotspot still fails, swap the SIM into another phone to determine whether the issue is
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.